We are going to work with the hydrochloric acid with this flour. Why I am doing this type of experiment in chemistry? I need to know why the acidic medium disturb the flower plant in daily aspects of life. Why? I need to know while doing experiment practically, because chemistry is always a practical. If you work chemistry, you will achieve it chemistry, otherwise you can't. Don't try to mug up the chemistry. So let's begin with this experiment. Few minute moment ago I have done magnesium chloride salt with water, 10 ml water, with this flour. This one flour you can see there are no changes in flower color. It means if you add basic medium with this type of flower, there is no change in color. This experiment is done, and now come to acidic medium, that is hydrochloric, one of the example. So we are going to add 1% hydrochloric acid with this flour, and we will change, we'll check the whether what happening there. So then after we will do experiment with this leaf. So ready to have a practical, very take a precaution in that, because it's harmful for everybody. So I have to take a, okay, I have opened it very carefully. You have to wear a mask, so that I have to take a mask, so that it's a hydrochloric acid. So take a serious precaution. I have to take wait for a while. I haven't taken the 10 ml of water. Yes, I have taken the this 10 ml of water taken. One more things, I have to check what happening there in magnesium chloride along with this one is happening there. You see, if you check this one, I'll add it. I have taken the hydrochloric acid. I am going to check this one. This flour I have to take it and try to pour in it. What happening there? After few moments you will check it. Let's check it for a better result. It's a highly poisonous to take hydrochloric acid gas directly in your nose because it disturbs your lungs. Okay, so make sure that you wear your masks while doing experiment with these type of acids. You now after checking for a while you have observed that there are no changes in flower color. Of course, there is no changes in flower color. Now, this one I am talking about. It's a highly dangerous. I have done a mistake. Great things. I have now. I am going to. You can see the color of this flower. Directly, I have added the concentrated hydrochloric acid in this leaves. You have seen the changes of this color. First, you can see this type of leaves color, and then you see this type of leaves color. A lot of change because of acidic medium disturb this leaf color. And now I am going to add the, let's check what happening there. So after doing this type of experiment, I have noticed that this one is the main reason why the leaves along with the plant disturbed by the environmental pollution. One of the main reason that acidic medium. Why we are creating the acidic medium for disturbing the environmental pollution? Why? Why we are doing? We have to control because you can see if the flower leaves is change, then we also our body is also disturbed by this. One of the most erosion is the fungal infection. In West Bengal, a lot of problems facing by the fungal infection. We are using so many steroidal drugs, but we can't completely eradicate this type of infection. Why? Because we don't want to understand the important things to overcome this type of solution. So let's make a serious and try to save the this type of leaves. Don't try to make this type of leaves by creating anything in your life. So have a good luck. I am very upset after this experiment because I know this one is the creating disturbance in this nature. Have a look. Great. Chemistry is all about have experiment. Without chemistry, no one succeed. No matter what you belong. The matter you know in this way we are working, we are caring. But what about the engineers?